Thank you for tuning in to Amy's Crafts and Things. In today's tutorial for PE Design 11 and Palette 11, we will be going over saving and printing. I already have a design up on the screen. I will post a link in the description box below on where you can find this mug rug. If you go up into the flower and click it and click on Save, it will bring you up a screen so that you can save your design. This feature is when you create a brand new design. If you make changes to a design and you click the Save button, it will overwrite the original design, so use caution. If you click in the blue flower and click on Save As, it will allow you to save your file as a new file and keep your original. So a lot of times, this one says Untitled, so sometimes I will put Revised 1 or version 2 or something to denote to me that this is a revised copy of the original, and I will have both copies still. Under the blue flower, there is the print button. If you click on that, you can choose print, print preview, and print setup. If we click on the print setup, we have our printer options in the first two sections. You can choose the printer, the properties of your printer. You can choose the paper size. You can choose where in the printer it's going to print from, what cassette. You can choose what direction. You can choose if you want actual size or a reduced size. You can choose different options as to the print template grid, color changes. If you have actual size clicked, it will give you the options to choose the crosshairs or the entry and exit points. And you can choose a normal image or a realistic image, and then you have attributes to choose there as well. If you are choosing an image to be printed, this will not be grayed out and you'll be able to access those options as well. If we click on the print preview, it will bring up the preview of our print. Under the print preview tab, there is next page. If you click on that, it will bring you to the next page. And here's where we have our color charts that we selected. And that is how you save and print in PE Design 11 and Palette 11. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified when new tutorials are posted. Thank you for watching.